Okay, Julie, here's that right side. And again, your elbows are great. They're nice and high the entire pull. What I'm seeing still is that kind of forcing that hand in at such a steep angle that you're losing some of that water out in front of you. Once you get into that pull, though, you're moving the water. Great, that elbow stays high. You got a nice long paddle with that forearm. It's just losing that water out front because that hand's coming in at such an angle, and that catch isn't really happening until you're already pretty deep. So just kind of reaching. Boom. This is beautiful. If you can get a little more rotation with your shoulder and set that hand out a little bit more forward. And so just not quite putting the hand in with the steep angle in the elbow, but setting the hand in out front and then creating that angle in the water so that you're not losing this space right here. Yeah, it might mean your rotation is happening a little late. If you could get that over a little sooner, you might have a better reach out front. Because you might be reaching while your hips are still up rather than when they're coming around, which would make it a little harder to do that. So that'd be something to take a look at is the timing of that rotation and when those hands are going in. And there comes that left hand too. Nice, you can just see that steep angle of pushing that hand in. The one thing you're doing right with this is you're never bringing that hand back up. Sometimes people will throw it in kind of the same way you are, and then they'll reach out, and that's actually worse than what I'm seeing here. So this is not a horrible problem because you're not stretching it out forward and putting the brakes on. You're just getting right into that pull. If we can lengthen it out, however, you'll take less strokes per length. But good job with that high elbow. It looks good.